In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete your stories on Instagram. Be sure you watch this video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app. And then if you have recently posted a story, just tap at your profile picture right over here. That is my story, and to remove it I need to tap at three dots and then tap at delete. It says that you can restore unarchived stories for 24 hours or 30 days for archived stories from recently deleted in your activity. After that, it will be permanently deleted. To continue, tap at delete. If you would like to delete your old stories, first of all, go to your profile, tap at three lines, then tap at archive, and select Stories Archive right here. It will show you all your Instagram stories you have ever posted. We can scroll down to get more stories. And then if we would like to delete some, we can tap right here. I don't want to delete that one. We can tap right here at any story, hit add three lines, and then delete. That's how you can easily delete stories on Instagram.